It's slightly up. Needs to come down, which I don't think. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think today gonna keep kind of easy again. Show a little video, but we got pretty good ice storm hit, and I hadn't been in work for a couple days, so finally getting warm enough. You can hear it melting behind me, but I think I'll be able to work out here and at least get this dash patched, all the patches done on it. But that being said, that's probably all I'm gonna do today. I don't want to be out here too long. It's pretty cold. But I do think we'll get it. If we don't get it finished, at least almost finished. At least that's my goal. But GMC is still here, and they'll be here probably till next week when it starts warming up a little bit, and then come and get it. But once we start doing it nicer weather, I am going to be pushing the Bronco out and swinging the International's nose over. That way we can take the diesel out and transmission, and hopefully the motor mounts will work. I'm not sure they will or not, so I might look up for motor mounts for a straight 6 and get those ordered. Anyways, get the engine at least in there setting right and seeing what we need to do to get everything going. Last time I did a challenge, said if we get 500 subscribers by the end of March, I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate live on YouTube. I do have a better setup with this GoPro. It's pretty good webcam type thing. So yeah, if we get 500, I'll do that. Yeah, we're getting close. Just need 50 more, and we'll be halfway to 1,000, which I am blown away. I don't never expected to get as many people watching me struggle with this as I have. But thank you for all y'all's help and everything. But let's get cracking. Let's get this cut out and filled, and I can go in and get warm. Yeah, I think we got this one in too. I made my lines to cut the top portions off. This one definitely has to come off, since that spot where the screw goes in to tie it to the cowl is right here. It needs to go down further. And I welded a little bit too hot through here, so this isn't flush anymore. I don't know if you can tell, but it's slightly up. Needs to come down, which I don't think, hope that won't be a big issue. Put it back in. I test fit it, and I think if I cut this and add this little piece here, then it should fit okay, I think. If not, I'll have to cut it back out and just take my time putting it back in. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll get this cut here and here, and add this in. It's gonna be kind of tricky. So I gotta push it down, but that's making this kind of bend here. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. May have to cut it back out and just really take my time and let it cool down. Because I started pulling this back towards me and I didn't catch it in time to fix it. I think I'm gonna cut these off right quick, and then may go ahead and try to put this into this little piece and probably call it a day. Well, I think we got it in there. Not as good as that one, but I think it'll work. This piece kind of drew it back down a little bit. I tried to push it down when I was tack welding it, but it's pretty even with that. So I think it'll be okay. Only thing, I might have to shave a little bit in here. It looks kind of wonky, but at least there's no more rust. I think next time we'll get in here, sand this down. I'm gonna probably clean this up a little bit back here, just grind it down just a little bit, and try to get these spots like this, kind of knock the rust off, and then we're gonna probably paint this whole back area. I'll probably may spend some time welding up these holes that aren't necessary. I think I got quite a few through here. If there's anything here that y'all know of that I need to keep, let me know. But anyways, we'll go straight and getting this painted, pop this out, clean it off. Probably won't do much sanding, just if there's, you know, rust like this, I'll get in here and hand sand as best I can. And I'm gonna try to get this off. Don't know if I can or not. These are really rusted on there. But yeah, we'll finish the back of the dash out and pop it back in there. We'll pop those off and go back to start trying to fit the door pillars in. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. I don't know if you can see, but I can see my breath out here. It's starting to get a little bit colder, so I'm gonna head in. I think we got the back of the dash done. Just need to paint it and hope everything lines back up and fits fine. But if you made this far, thanks for watching. I made a Discord. There's a link in the description. It's where you can chat with me. I'm on there a little bit throughout the day. And also, like I said, if I get 500 subscribers by the end of March, I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate live on camera. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.